Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can log in into the TikTok account in desktop. So for that, first of all, you need to open a browser on your PC and then open a new tab. On the search bar you type in tiktok.com, press enter. This will direct you to the TikTok official page. There you click on login. Now there are a few options available for how you can log in. From these, you need to choose phone, email or username. If you have linked your TikTok with other social media platform like this, you can just click on this option as well. Here we're going to go through email process. Tap on that. Now here you provide the email address and the password. Below type in the password and then click on login. And with that you will be easily logged in into the account of TikTok of yours. So this is how you can log in TikTok in the web browser. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.